In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this beautiful short hair with a crochet. Watch this video to the very end to learn how this is achieved. So first of all, this is the extension I'll be using to braid my hair. My hair is a natural hair, as you can see. So first thing first, you have to braid your hair just like when you want to fix your weave on. I will advise you to braid it to be smaller. Please don't make it to be bulky, don't make it to puff. I don't know how to describe it, but let it be flat, like flat onto the scalp, so you don't have anything like bulging out from the crochet when you start working on it. So I just want to say welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup. So if you want to learn how to make your hair yourself, then this is the place to be. And if you're a returning viewer, I just want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thank you for always watching my videos. You're the real MVP. And to my new viewers, I just want to say thank you for stopping by here today. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate every one of you, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button to be a part of this wonderful community. Like, share, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this hairstyle. Thank you. So I braided some hair off camera because I don't want to take so much of your time. So what you do now, you have to join the hair together at the back, just like the way I'm doing here. Please make it as flat as possible because this particular one can get bulky if it's not well handled. So try as much as possible to maintain that flatness of the hair. So join it together, after which we'll be stitching this with a needle and thread. Just the part that comes out, like the part that sticks out, just stick it so everything will just be flat on the scalp for you to crochet with. So guys, just watch this video. So this is the crochet extension I'll be using, and that's the crochet pin we'll be working with. So the next thing we'll do, cut this hair into two, then divide it in the middle. That's to get 4 from each part. Then we have to separate this hair, like each of the extensions, separate it into 3. That's what I did. So you can separate into 2 depending on how you want your coils to come out, but I don't really want it to have so much coils, so I separated into 3. So now is the time to start crocheting. So get one of the hair that you've already separated or divided and start crocheting. So if you don't know how to crochet, then pay attention to this part of the video because I did a close-up shot on this so you can see how it is done. So if you want to do it on yourself, you'll be able to learn from this video. So to save us time, I did some of the crocheting off camera so we don't consume so much of your time here. So I don't really have front hair, or let me say I have these very tiny hairs in front that's not okay for me to grip with the weaving, so I just want to thread it. So you can do this threading method if you have this kind of my hair, or but if you don't mind and you want your hair to start from the back, like a little back, then there's no problem. But I decided to thread it, so we'll call this threading pattern puff. So that's what I did. I did puff in the front so I can be able to crochet them and get my hair to the front. Also, if you have short hair and you want to achieve this hairstyle, you can also just do the puff around the entire scalp to be able to crochet with this hairstyle. As you can see, it works perfectly. All you just have to do is just to hold it firmly and pass your crochet pin through it, and yeah. So we are crocheting the puff in front now. Just watch how I did it. You have to apply caution with this so you don't pull your hair out. So now guys, this is the time for trimming. Trim this hair to your desired length. Make sure you touch every part of the hair to be able to trim out, so you don't have any part longer than the other part. So always touch. You can decide to also use your comb to like comb it a little bit for you to get that part that is longer for you to trim, but touching worked for me. So I applied coil keeper to this hair, after which I applied hair moist to the hair to be able to keep the coil and to make it last longer. So this process, you can also skip it or replace it with other hair products. So I decided to add baby hair to it, but I don't even know the reason I added this baby hair, because this hair is going to be covered, like everything is covered. The baby hair was not showing at the end of the day, so it was just me doing too much. This baby hair is not necessary for this hairstyle, but if you want to put it, then you're good to go. So guys, I want to ask you, what style do you prefer? Did you prefer this hair when it was longer, or you prefer this short cut? Because for me, I prefer the shorter version, because yeah, I want short hair. I don't want that afro, big afro kind of vibe. What is your style? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So guys, this is the final review of the short crochet hairstyle. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching to the very end, and I hope to see you in my subsequent videos.